Good morning, respected college parents and community members. It is a privilege to speak with you today about something that profoundly impacts us all, the education and future of our students. So, in a world that is rapidly changing, education must evolve to prepare our students with the knowledge, skills, and adaptability they need to succeed. This is why we are implementing a redesigned curriculum, one that is innovative, inclusive, and structured to equip our learners for the opportunities and challenges of tomorrow. So today, I will share our school new approach to curriculum planning and design. So our goal is to ensure that our students is prepared not only for academic excellence but also for real-world success. So the curriculum planning process is a result of careful collaboration among teachers and our wider school community. So it is aligned with national and state educational standards and is informed by research-based methodologies. So our redesigned curriculum focuses only on key areas such as the holistic development. Beyond academic learning, our curriculum prioritizes students' emotional and social growth, helping them develop resilience, empathy, and teamwork in schools. So the second one will be the 21st century skills. We emphasize the critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, and communication skills that will enable our students to navigate an increasingly complex world and workforce. So the third one, which is the educational theories, this curriculum is designed using progressive educational frameworks such as constructivist learning, which encourages students to actively engage in their learning journey, and social emotional learning, or the SEL, which fosters emotional intelligence and interpersonal skills. So our approaches for this curriculum will be the curriculum effectiveness and how it is delivered. So our approach is include the innovative teaching methods. We are adapting differentiated instruction strategies to accommodate the diverse learning style of our students and ensuring an inclusive learning environment for all. So the technology integration will where the digital tools will enhance the classroom engagement, making lessons more interactive and providing students with personalized learning experiences and that allow them to progress at their own pace. So the comprehensive assessment strategies, we are moving beyond traditional tr- trends and degrees of methods will include continuous formative assessments that will provide the real-time feedback, enabling teacher to address interaction to better meet students' needs. A successful curriculum transformation requires support of the entire school community's active participation from teachers who will play a crucial role in implementing and refining the curriculum. And the parents can reinforce learning at home, provide valuable insights. The community partner, of course, who can offer resources and real world learning approaches for our schools. We also value ongoing feedbacks while insights help us refine and enhance curriculum to its effectiveness, often communication, collaboration, and key to making this innovative initiative successful. So in summary, our new curriculum is designed to empower students with the critical skills, knowledge, and adaptability so needed to excel in ever-changing world. It is not just about the academic success. It is about preparing students to be responsible, thoughtful and capable members of the society. However, we cannot achieve this alone. So we need your continuous support, whether as educators shaping the minds of our students, parents guiding them at home, our community members offering valuable resources and opportunities. So together, let us invest in the future of our students, ensuring that they are prepared and succeed both the school and beyond. So I look forward with working to all of you. Thank you.